Muda, Brenda, Jessica, Susan, Scarlett, Buda papira papa, scrata da di da da da. Awesome.
Hey ladies, it's Monday and I'm currently sitting in an empty train station. Take a look. Let's see. There's nobody here but me because I misread the train schedule. So I'm sitting here for another half an hour before my train. Because that's how it goes when you miss your train and you miss your train schedules. Because I looked it up on my phone, but I looked it up on my phone as to what time the train went from here, this station, to my campus, instead of from this station to my apartment, which are opposite directions from each other. So I'm sitting here in an empty train station making my video. First off, it's Jessica's birthday. Happy birthday, Jessica. We love you. Secondly, it's Nostalgia Week, which was born from the idea that Jessica is going to be 18 and half the lights just turned off in here. That was weird. That was really weird. Kind of creepy. So, yeah. Creepy. But it's Nostalgia Week, and some of the things that I'm nostalgic for starters, I'm nostalgic. The opposite direction. Away from the creepy window. There we go. Because I keep expecting something to pop up in that window. Probably the number one thing I'm nostalgic for is movies. I mean, I miss my. I woke up this morning after having a dream about Free Willy. Do you guys remember Free Willy? Did you guys ever see Free Willy? I mean, Free Willy 1 was kind of meh, but Free Willy 2 and 3, when the main actor got really hot, were fantastic. Or in my opinion, he got hot. And then, like, if you see him now, like in his 30s, he's just, like, freaking gorgeous. So, yeah, like, I miss Free Willy. I miss it. I miss having my mom cook for me, because let me tell you, when you move out, cooking is, like, the hardest thing to do. Like, getting the motivation to make yourself food so you can survive. It's so much easier just to pick up the phone and call someone and order in. Yeah, I mean, I miss good TV. Well, I miss good crappy TV. That is to say, like, I miss things like Power Rangers. I remember watching Power Rangers all the time. I miss, like, I miss Full House. I miss 90s TV. I loved 90s TV. Like, Boy Meets World, Scarlett, you know what I'm talking about. Boy Meets World was fantastic. And, yeah. I miss. What else do I miss? I don't really miss that much from growing up, but, like, entertainment. Like, I miss boy bands. Like, we all know that all of us are massive 1D fans now because who knows why, but it's like Scarlett said, you just kind of start humming it, and then the next thing you know, you're like bouncing with the lyrics. It's like that scene from Easy A when she has the Natasha Bedingfield card and she opens it, she starts listening to it, and then she closes it, and then she, like, throughout the weekend, by the end of the weekend, she can't stop listening to it, and then it becomes like her ringtone. That's us, I feel, with One D. So, yeah, I'm going to end this video here. I'm sorry it's not very great. I was doing some ADL work for Pops, which was overdubbing. If you watch the Pops update, you will know. Well, I don't have any dialogue, I was just there. Doing some behind the scenes footage. So, yeah.